Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to change your email address in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now click on this three-line icon in the top left corner. So let's tap on this. Now click on your profile over here and click on account settings. Now click on your account. Now here you can see your email address over here. Now you can simply click on edit, and at first we need to confirm with your password. Now click on confirm password. Now change your email address as per your need and click on save. So this is it. So this is how you can change your email address in Canva. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.